We'll guide you through how to fix auto-rotate not working on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be annoying because perhaps you want to go and rotate it like so, whether it's on the home screen or whether you're in a browser or another app, for example Chrome. I can't go and rotate. This is annoying, especially if you're trying to go and watch a video or go and look at something in the horizontal or landscape way. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and fix this. Make sure it's full guide, and without any other further ado, let's get started. First of all, we need to go and check the orientation lock, as it may be going locked in the portrait. So you can go and scroll down and then scroll down again at the top. And in here, you need to go and find the portrait lock. You may need to swipe across to go and find it. Go and tap on it, and it's now set to auto rotate. Now go and see if when you rotate, if it does. As you can see, it now does. If you're finding it still won't do it on the home screen, tap on hold in some blank space and press settings, scroll down and turn on rotate to landscape mode.